cup of life has a structure for calcium and magnesium. That's why it's developed for this purpose. You understand? You have the copper and the zinc and the nano-coated. What is calcium? Rick, what is calcium?
I would have to look that up.
I already wrote it.
Oh, okay.
You have to understand the design of it. We look at the spectrum of the calcium from 35 to 49. We average around about 39, 40. You have a copper, which we calculate on about 57 to 69, around about 63, 60 to 63, 64. As you know, when you have a dynamic system, which is created due to the nanomaterial inside, not all the polarities are in the same way, as we call it. Some are in opposite way. This is something you never understood in the work of the Ganser plasma. So in this water, we have a sodium, around about 19 to 25. We average around about 20, 23. Understanding the dynamic motions of in this cup, if we take 63 and if we take 23 of copper, we'll come to around about 40 of the calcium. Then you understand the magnetic field of magnesium or possible calcium and sodium and the copper presence will give you the field strength of the calcium. This is how we interact with the calcium seed